run done. Today is a simple 6-kilometer run. Relative effort is 16, so it's quite a relaxing run. So my plan is not to injure myself. So for this whole week, I'm going to run 6 kilometers for 5 or 6 days. It's good to know that I can run 12 kilometers. It's not a big deal, but I just want to go for 6 days. Yeah, the goal is actually not to injure myself, but actually to make my body stronger to cope with when I increase my mileage later on. The app I'm using is called Welltory, and it's fantastic. It has a lot of data points that you must know how to read and interpret, and also you must ask yourself this question whether you are tired or not. I do know that on Friday, Saturday, I was a bit off tired, and it shows in the app. How it does it is just by measuring my heart rate variability. So I have the app installed on my S10, which has a built-in heart rate sensor. The key thing is not to overexert or overtrain myself to the point where I get injured. This is the measurement from Welltory in the morning before I started running. And this is the measurement after my run.